Jason Chapman here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Right behind me we have the 2007 GT-185 by Glastron. We walk down the side, got nice red and black accents. Let's check out the stern. We've got a 4.3 liter by Volvo. It's a stern-driven boat with 190 horsepower. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, standing here in the GT-185, we have the captain's seat and co-captain. Both of them can swivel. We have tan interior with red and white accents. Up here at the helm, the steering wheel does tilt up and down, so you can sit down or stand up and drive. You got your gauges on this nice wood grain dashboard. Windshield does open. And up here in the bow, on the starboard side, we have storage in this compartment as well on the port side. Guys, come down, make an appointment, come and check out this 2007 GT-185. Thank you.